Hi, I'm Ami Balyos, your trusted real estate agent from Green Circle Realty. Alam mo ba kung bakit ang daming nag invest ngayon dito sa Westwing Condo sa Lancaster, New City? Simple lang, kasi dito, space means value. Located right inside Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Westwing offers the perfect balance of convenience and comfort. Malapit sa Cavitex, Calax, at mga upcoming developments like SM City General Trias at future transport hubs, kaya few minutes lang away sa Metro Manila. It's a low-rise condominium, meaning more space, less crowd, at mas maaliwalas sa environment. Available in one-bedroom at two-bedroom units. Perfect for young professionals, small families, or rental income investors. As developments continue to rise within Lancaster New City, the value of your property here keeps appreciating. So every peso you invest today grows over time. Plus, its prime location gives you the chance to earn steady rental income, whether short-term or long-term leasing. So kung hanap mo ay secured investment with high potential returns at gusto mo rin ng space that truly feels like home, then Westwing Condo is your next smart move. Units now are open for investors and demand is quickly increasing. So this is your chance to start investing while prices are still competitive. Message me, Ami Balyos, your friendly agent from Green Circle Realty, and let's make your investment grow here at Westwing Condo.